Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the second episode of the CI/CD pipeline project. So, in this video, we will learn that how to launch an instance, okay, using the AWS. So I guess you already aware about this thing. So here we will use the AWS portal, okay, to launch an instance. And as I have already mentioned that in this project we will require the T2 extra large type of instance. So let's start. So let's open the Chrome browser here and come to the main dashboard of the AWS. So you can find by using the search bar, or from here you can click on the all services and you can find out the EC2. So whatever is feasible for you, choose that option. So click on this EC2 and then click on the instance, and here you will get the option to launch a new instance. So click on this button, and I will use the Ubuntu operating system for my project. So I'm using the 24.04, the latest one, and I will use the instance type as T2X large. So it will helpful to execute our project smoothly. And here I will only use one server, so that's why I'm using this a bit high resource. Let's choose the key pair. Here I have the key pair already, and I will use my previous security group, which is already existing the security group. In this security group I have opened every ports, okay, which will helpful for the testing purpose. And if you want to block any port, you can go through the security group settings. From there you can do this. And here I will use 25 GB of space, and the number of instance should be 1. And just click on the launch instance. It will create instance for us. Now just need to log in. Okay, so this one is my new instance. Click on this connect button. From here I can able to find out the command to connect with the server using the SSH. And here I will use the Windows PowerShell, okay. And this directory, the present working directory, is this one where I have kept the key pair to log in the server. So come to that directory and paste the command and enter. It will ask for your fingerprint. Click on type yes and press enter, and it will connect to your server. Okay, after connecting with the server, please update using the command apt update. Okay, these are the preliminary step we need to follow. After completing this, we will install the Jenkins. So to install the Jenkins, I will use the official website of Jenkins. So open the google.com, and if you type here Jenkins, the first website which is showing as www.jenkins.io, and here it is showing as a Linux. So Linux and installing Jenkins, whichever you want, you can click on this option. It will directly redirect you to the page where documentation is already mentioned. Okay, so this one is the command to install the Jenkins, which is the LTS, that is the long-term support. There you can also find the weekly release. So I suggest to install this long-term support release, which has the minimum number of the issues. Okay, minimum number of the bugs. So in the weekly release you can find the bugs. Okay, but before installing the Jenkins we require the Java, because this is the dependency software. So we already executed this command sudo apt update. Just install this Java 17. Okay, the command, and I am using the -y to install this software automatically. It will not ask for the permission again if I provide the -y option with the command. So let's wait for a few minutes till this Java software get installed in my server. So after that, to check if it is installed correctly or not, just execute the command java double hyphen version. If it is showing like this, okay, then that means the Java installed properly in our system. Okay, so now after installing the Java, let's install the Jenkins. Okay, so you can directly copy this whole command lines using this icon, which will copy to the clipboard and paste it here. I'm using only one -y option to install automatically. Okay, press enter. It will install the Jenkins in our system, and after installing this Jenkins we have to configure it. So let's wait for this. So we will install the Jenkins on port number 8080, which is the default port number for Jenkins software. It's almost completed. In a few minutes it will complete totally. Yeah, now it is completed. So now you can run this command systemctl status jenkins.service, which will show you the password. This password we need to log in the Jenkins for the first time. Also you may found this password in this directory. Okay, in this file the password is already saved, so if you require to fetch that password, you can find out from here. So after installing the Jenkins, let's open the Jenkins portal. Okay, using the public IP, copy the public IP, simply copy the public IP, then paste it here in the address bar and use the :8080, because this one is the default port to uh, install the Jenkins. Here also the password path is already mentioned. So if you cat this file, it will show you the same thing. Okay, permission showing denied, so use the sudo. Now it is showing the password. Just copy it from here, paste it here and click on continue. It will ask for the plugin install. Okay, so use the suggested plugins, click on this and wait for the installation of this plugins. Okay, and in the meantime let's configure our system by installing the Docker. So to install the Docker, we require the command that apt-get to execute this one, .io -y, which will install the Docker. Right, Docker installed successfully. So if you want to check that if it is installed properly or not, same command, docker double hyphen version. If it is showing the Docker version, that means it installed correctly. Now if you want to execute the Docker command, you can find out that permission is denied. So for that reason, we have to add this user into the Docker group. Okay, so let's add the user in the Docker group. So sudo user mod is the command, and -a for admin, g for secondary group as a Docker, and for the user Ubuntu. Okay, and I will also add the Jenkins, because Jenkins will also use the Docker. Okay, in our previous episode, you can find out that Jenkins user will push the image, and for that Jenkins also required the permission. So I have provided the permission, and after that execute the command new grp and the group name Docker. So it will restart the services that without restarting the server, you can execute Docker command, because after adding we need to reboot the server. So if you execute this one, so there is no reboot is required. Okay, so Docker command is executing successfully. Okay, now let's open this Jenkins portal, which is already installed here. So I am using the username as a admin, and using the password, any type of password according to you can use, and using the name as administrator. Here I'm using the email address as admin@gmail.com. You can use any type of email address. It will not verify this email. Okay, you can use any random email address. Okay, let's save and continue. Close this. We already know that Jenkins is running on this port, so save and finish, and we can use the Jenkins. All right, so we have installed the Jenkins here. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how to install the SonarQube container, and then we will see that how to install those plugins, the required plugins that I have mentioned. Okay, let's meet in next session of this video. And if it is helpful for you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.